Hey everyone, welcome back to Lyra Tech. Today we are looking at the Zowietek 4K POV Zoom Camera, a compact powerhouse designed to elevate your professional video setup. This little camera packs some serious features, including 4K resolution, IHX3, and versatile recording options. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into what makes this camera a strong contender for professional video with our first chart focusing on its core performance and seamless integration. This Zowietek camera is built for professional environments, offering crucial features that simplify complex setups. The inclusion of IHX3 means high-quality video and control over a single network cable, which is incredibly efficient for multi-camera productions. Plus, its 4K UHD output ensures crisp, clear visuals for any content. The 4K UHD clarity instantly upgrades your video quality, providing sharp, detailed output that looks incredibly professional in any setting. With built-in IHX3, this camera simplifies your entire workflow, sending high-quality video, audio, and control over just one network cable. The 3x optical zoom combined with autofocus allows you to get detailed close-up shots without losing image quality, providing good flexibility. You can record your video locally to a TF card or directly to NAS storage, giving you peace of mind that important footage is always safely saved. Overall, this camera excels in delivering professional video quality and streamlined workflows thanks to its advanced IHX3 integration and smart recording features. Next, we'll analyze the Zowietek camera's connectivity options, its physical design, and how it delivers value for its price. This camera truly shines with its broad compatibility, offering HDMI, SDI, and UVC outputs to integrate into any professional or everyday setup. Its miniature metal design ensures durability and discreet placement, making it perfect for unique angles. The flexible power options, including POV and USB-C, further simplify installation and cable management. With HDMI, 3G SDI, and UVC outputs, this camera connects effortlessly to professional gear and everyday setups, eliminating compatibility headaches. Its miniature metal design means it is durable and ultra-compact, allowing installation almost anywhere and ensuring professional-grade reliability without taking up much space. Flexible power options, including POV 802.3AT and USB-C, give you versatile installation options and help eliminate separate power adapters. At $369, this camera delivers a robust set of professional features like 4K and IHX3, representing a solid value for its target audience. This camera provides versatile connectivity and power in a durable, miniature form factor, offering solid value for advanced professional use. The Zowietek 4K POV Zoom Camera truly stands out for its blend of compact design and professional-grade features. It offers exceptional versatility for creators and AV professionals, simplifying workflows with IHX3 and ensuring reliable recording with local and NAS options. While the 3x optical zoom is a clear limitation for distant subjects, its robust connectivity and 4K output make it an excellent choice for a wide array of production environments. This camera delivers significant value for anyone needing advanced capabilities in a small form factor.